Hey everybody. I know it's been a while since I posted anything. I've been pretty busy. Got through with this afternoon, and that's 18-inch diameter roll and a 3.5-inch shaft on it. Got both ends done. Took a pretty good while. It's a 2-inch pipe thread hole so it can drain out if it gets water in it. Well, but this weld is 3 passes. This is a cap pass. It's all vertical uphill. 045 flux core. For those of you that weld, this is using CO2 shielding gas, and that's 3 passes there. Ground lug. It's not very long. It's probably let's say a 50 or 54-inch roll. But it just takes a little while to get all of that put in. Flux core makes pretty well, doesn't it? All right, that's all I wanted to show you today. Well, not yet. This is what it looks like when it starts out. This is a 12 3/4 inch diameter roll. Got this end finished. It only called for a 1/4 inch weld here instead of a 1/2 inch like the other one. Like the 18-inch that I have in the drivers now. But I'm ready to go to the house. It's 7 o'clock. Y'all have a good night. I'll see you on the next one.